In this video, we will show you how to replace your throttle position sensor on this Ford Ranger with a 2.3-liter engine. This will be located along the top of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you want to do is make your way over to the electrical connector. You'll find that it does have a locking tab in the center. Press that in and disconnect this. A quick check for corrosion, and we can set the wiring harness aside. At this point, we can dismount this. You'll find it's held in place with two T20 screws. Remove your mounting hardware, replace it as necessary. Take hold of the sensor and remove it from the vehicle by pulling it straight out and away. There it is, friend. Now that we have that out of place, the next thing we'll do is clean and inspect the mounting point. Okay, let's get ready to install our brand new throttle position sensor. Let's have a look along the back side. We need to make sure that we align these two areas. Once we've done so, we can take this and slide it in and align our mounting bolt holes as well. Just rest that into position, should slide right in. Here we are. Start in your mounting screws, snug them up, and torque those to 27 inch-pounds. Continue on to your electrical harness. We'll take this and press it in, listen for a click, give it a tug, and make sure it's secure. Okay friend, we finished installing our throttle position sensor. At this point, you can hop in the passenger compartment, start up the vehicle, make sure you have no running condition and no check engine light. After that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.